Hi guys, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be taking my vanilla cake and my vanilla buttercream and turning it into a Zelda themed delicious ultimate cake. It's going to have marshmallows, the buttercream's going to be blue, there's going to be a very iconic Zelda decoration on top, you know, to really pull it all together. Really just for excitement because I bought a Switch to play Breath of the Wild. I don't know if you play Breath of the Wild, but it's such a good game. It's so beautiful, and I wanted to really capture that Zelda artistic perfection from the game in cake form. So I figured, why not? I love cake, I love Zelda, here we go. I'll go ahead and throw a link down in the description to my vanilla cake recipe and my vanilla buttercream recipe. This way you can make your own Zelda-inspired themed delicious cake. And that kitchen and stand mixer giveaway link is going to be down in the description also. So go ahead and click that if you haven't already, check it out, and you should probably enter because I'm coming up soon on announcing the first winner. And that could be you. So I went ahead and already made the vanilla cake. So we're going to go ahead and take our first layer onto our cake stand and add a good delicious border of vanilla buttercream. Dyed blue because we are going for that Champion's Tunic iconic, I guess it's iconic now, it's been out for a little bit, but we're gonna go for that iconic blue and the white little decorations, design. We're gonna go for that white design, so it's gonna be blue and white and just gonna be delicious. I'm rambling too much coffee. So we're gonna go ahead and take our vanilla cake with our buttercream and fill that layer up. Next, we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some delicious mini marshmallows. And then back in with some more blue vanilla buttercream. And then top with our next layer of vanilla cake. I told you, it's gonna be really easy, really simple. We wanna give that a nice little press down. Now we're gonna take more of our blue vanilla buttercream and follow the same steps. So we're gonna do a nice little border and fill it in a little bit and sprinkle some more mini marshmallows. And then back again with some more blue vanilla buttercream. And top with our next layer of delicious vanilla cake. And then for our last time around, we're gonna go ahead and do a border of vanilla buttercream. Fill it in. Add some more marshmallows. Pipe another border. And then place our last layer of vanilla cake. Now that we have all of our cake layers filled and stacked together, we're gonna go ahead and take more blue buttercream and kind of just go ahead and fill in the gaps. And then we're gonna take our offset spatula and go around the cake and smooth it out. And feel free to add a little more buttercream for a little good extra measure. Now that we have all those gaps filled in, let's go ahead and take more vanilla buttercream and go around the cake and get it nice and covered. I don't know what that is. So our next step is to take our bench scraper, press it gently right up against the cake, and slowly turn our cake table by applying a little bit of pressure, and we're just gonna smooth it out. We're gonna let the cake turntable do all the work and still maintaining that nice, light, even pressure. And once you get that nice, smooth coat, eventually you'll start to see that we still have some gaps, we still have some cracks, so we're gonna go ahead and do some buttercream spackling. If you're ever done any sort of carpentry work, I haven't. I watched a lot of HGTV, so I know the terminology. We're gonna take our vanilla buttercream and fill in those gaps before we go around once again with our bench scraper. So let's hit every little crack with a little bit of buttercream. So while letting the turntable do all the work, we're going to go ahead and apply a little bit of pressure again with our bench scraper and gently rotate the cake table and let it do all the work until we have those nice smooth cake sides. Just a little spin and smooth it out. And you want to go ahead and just keep repeating this process until you are happy with your final coat of buttercream around your cake. Really until you have that nice smooth finish. Or as smooth as you want it. And once you finish that, we're gonna go ahead back with our offset spatula and we're gonna go ahead and level out the top of our cake. A nice little comb over. Now we're going to go ahead and take some delicious white chocolate ganache and do a nice white chocolate drip along the sides of the cake. And I think eventually I'll do a nice little how to make silky white chocolate ganache, because white chocolate can be a pain in the butt because it's not technically chocolate, so it likes to be stubborn when you're trying to melt everything down. So maybe I'll go ahead and throw up a nice little video for that. If you want it, if you do, let me know in the comments below. But if not, you're just gonna take 3/4 cups of white chocolate chips and a 1/4 cup of heavy cream and do some double boiler action, or just pop the heavy cream in the microwave for a good minute and just pour it on top of the chocolate chips and give it a nice little stir. It's really easy, really simple. And it makes cakes look just so good. So let's go ahead and continue our nice little drip. And gravity will really continue to do the drip effect here. So feel free to, add as much chocolate ganache as you want around the sides of the cake. Then we're gonna go ahead and fill the center top of the cake with more white chocolate ganache. As little or as much white chocolate ganache as you want. And to finish our cake off, we're gonna go ahead and pipe on some delicious blue vanilla buttercream on top of the cake. Nice little dollops, nice little swirls. Sprinkle on a couple more mini marshmallows. So we have our blue, we have our white, we have our very modern take on a Zelda Breath of the Wild Champion's tunic, but it wouldn't be Zelda without a little bit of Triforce. So I'm taking some yellow fondant and cutting it out into triangles, and we're just gonna go ahead and place it on top of the cake. And just like that, you will have your very own modern take on a Zelda Breath of the Wild inspired Champion's tunic vanilla marshmallow cake. That's a mouthful, but this cake, totally worth it. I need a slice right now. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. And since we're gonna be in the clicking mood, click the thumbs up. Let me know that this is something that you guys wanna see more often. It helps me out. This way I know if I need to show you guys more simple, easy, practical recipes, or add a little more, cake decorating, cake tutorials. And if you make your own yummy treat, let me know and give a tag on Instagram. And since you're gonna be in the clicking mood, why not click another video or that KitchenAid Stand Mixer giveaway link down below. I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.